Hi guys, so it is Glossybox versus Birchbox again, and do we have any idea, or does anybody not have an idea what holiday it is this month? We're clearly getting ready for Valentine's Day. We've got Let Love Grow, and it's all about love, and then all love hearts. So I'm actually wanting to open Birchbox first because it's heavier and I'm intrigued. I know that I picked something for one of my boxes this month and I cannot remember it. So we've got this gorgeous floral box, which is apparently designed by a Not on the High Street partner, Miss Bespoke Paper Cuts. So it's very pretty. So let's get to the goodies though. So okay, so that'll be what made this heavy. No one gets flirty with the dirty. Pick Me Up Body Cleanser. I love the names from Anatomicals, they're always a bit ridiculous. So RRP is £4, this is the full size, it's 100 mils. So it says, every so often we all need a little pick-me-up. Next time you do, ease into your morning with this invigorating body wash. Its subtle floral fragrance will wake your senses, leaving you ready to face the day. It's definitely floral, I don't see it as a very I always associate citrusy kind of smells with waking you up ones, but yeah, it's actually quite nice. It's not very strong, so that's good. Anyway, so it's shower gel, you don't need instructions, I hope. So next we've got another brush. So this is a Luxie 205 tapered blending. It says Dream Catcher, which I'm guessing is going to be the kind of shade, which is picking up, yeah, there we go. It's lilac. I don't know why it looks kind of turquoise there. So yeah, it's just a nice soft blending brush. RRP is £11 and it's a synthetic bristle brush, so vegan, cruelty-free and hypoallergenic. That's nice. I always have use for blending brushes because, you know, sometimes I blend my makeup. Wow, okay. So next we have a hair mask from Coco and Eve, and it's their Like a Virgin hair mask. Okay, so it says it repairs damage, improves texture and shine, deeply hydrates, fights frizz and seals split ends. Its decadent formula also detangles the most knotty strands for instant smoothness. After shampooing, apply evenly to wet hair, leave for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. So it's coconut and fig. So I don't like the smell of coconut, but I do usually like the smell of fig. So let's burst this open and have a look. The coconut's quite strong, but I can just about smell the fig, and it kind of makes it more pleasant for me. So this is a full size, so it will be £9 for this size of product. Next, there we go. So next we have a Ciba Med Clear Face Anti-Pimple Gel. My skin's been getting a little bit better recently, but anyway. So again, full size, it's £4.39. It says, battling a breakout, this will get to the root of the problem fast. The antibacterial formula works to reduce redness and inflammation, while cucumber extract and hydrolyzed silk soothe and hydrate the skin. Plus it has a pH value of 5.5, the same as healthy skin, so there's no risk of irritation or flaky patches. So that's interesting. Apply directly to pimples as often as required. There you go, that will be interesting. And then last but not least, this will be the one that I picked. I remember now. It's a Love, is it Love of Colour, LOC? I'm sure it's Love of Colour. Anyway, Liquid Shimmer Shadow. The two shades were Eclipse and Moonlight. I went for Moonlight because it was a slightly less golden of the two. So this is a full size and retails for £8. So, oops, go on. Yeah, so it was a bit more of a rose goldy, almost going into taupe, but it's very pretty. And if anybody was looking at that kind of lump that was picking up there, that is actually in my skin. That's not the product, so don't hold that against it. So this is down as being a Birchbox exclusive. You get 0.9 mils, but it just seems to, you know, it goes for ages and it blends out quite nicely, so that'll be fun to play with. God, my finger is so shimmery now. Help me. I'm going to get shimmer everywhere. Right. So, do we have any... Yes. Ooh, it's a clay mask that we get to pick for next month. There's either a brightening ultraviolet mask or a detoxifying charcoal mask. Well, I'm probably going to be the detoxifying one. But there you go. And also there's just a little bit of promo for Not on the High Street and some wee postcards designed by the same person that done the box. So I will try and remember to find her on Not on the High Street and link it down below, because their stuff seems really cute. Really, really cute. So next, the not at all overboard with Love Hearts Glossy Box. God, after making the joke about not going overboard, the ribbons got printed hearts all over it as well. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, it's looking like quite a small month from Glossy Box, I have to say. Let's have a look. So, I seem to have a little bit of a bundle of eau de parfum, eau de toilette. So, eau de parfum for Alien Fusion, eau de toilette for Alien Man Fusion. Yeah, so full size for the Alien Fusion will be 30ml for £49 and the Man Fusion will be 50ml for £47. Eau de toilettes are obviously a less concentrated one, so that's why the Man one seems a bit cheaper for more product even. Let's see. I didn't like Alien Original, so this will be interesting. Okay, this weirdly makes me think of Christmas. Doesn't really tell you what the notes are other than hot and spicy scent, so maybe there's something like cinnamony in there or something that's making me think of Christmas, but you know, it's definitely interesting. So next thing I see is a face mask. So it's a multi-vitamin mask from Vitamasks, and it looks like, you know, like a tablet, like a vitamin tablet. And it says, achieve a breathtaking complexion with this pampering Korean face mask. Formulated with nourishing vitamins, it moisturises and hydrates dry skin for a healthy glow. Apply to cleansed skin, leave for 20 minutes, gently remove, then pat your face to absorb the remaining essences. And the RRP is $4.99. So this kind of looks like you would get more than... Oh no, it's a sheet mask. Ignore me. I was going to say, it looks like you get more one use out of this. No, it's a sheet mask. You're definitely getting one use out of it. Right. Okay. So we also have a brush, and it's also a Luxy brush. This is a fan brush, which actually I'm not going to open because I know that I don't like fan brushes. So I'm going to leave this sealed, and then next time I do a giveaway, I'll pop that in it so it can go in the drawer for that. So this is just their medium fan brush 560, and it retails for £15. So that can get put aside for a giveaway another day. So we've also got, ooh, Nails Ink nail polish. This is called Status Ready. It looks like a colour they used to do called Victoria, which maybe they still do, I just haven't paid a lot of attention. So this is full size, which is £15, and I do really like Nails Ink polishes, and I do like a nice deep red, so that will definitely get used. So, and then 2 more left. So we have a Regenerate toothpaste. I'm sure I've had this in a box before. It looks very, very familiar. So this is the Deluxe Mini that costs £2.50, and it's a regenerating, strengthening and enamel mineral restoring toothpaste, boasting unique NR5 ingredients, NR5 trademark, so it's basically something they've made up if you're sitting there thinking, I don't know what that is. It reverses the early enamel erosion process while also giving you pearly white teeth and fresh minty breath. So this is the 14ml tube. You can also get a full size 75ml tube for £10. So toothpaste, always handy. And then last but not least, we have a lip liner from Huda Beauty. So there was 2 shades available, Venus or Flirt. I seem to have got Venus, which is more of a brownie colour, which is not my go-to, but it's just a kind of darker nude. Although it might actually go really well with the Huda liquid lip that I got the other month, so maybe. So full size is £16, and it just feels very, very creamy. It says it's waterproof and transfer free. Yeah, it doesn't really transfer on my finger, and that's quite a heavy bit to put on there. I kind of wish I'd got the other shade because it's more red. But yeah, definitely useful, and it says you can use it to contour or colour your lips. So yeah. I kind of want to go with Glossybox now, just because I really like the nail polish, I like the lip liner, and I always like a good face mask. Yeah, but you know, you guys get your own boxes. You can always choose your favourite, but I think this is a winning month for Glossybox, although I will say that Birchbox was good on the value front as well. So that's that. If you want to see any of these items reviewed, let me know down below, and let me know what you got in your boxes. Did you get the same? Did you get different? Did anybody get the other lip liner, the one that I kind of wish I'd got? So yeah, and I will see you guys next month when I have more Glossybox and Birchbox, because I am an addict. So bye guys.